the balloons continues to inflate, ladies and gentlemen. We'd like to advise everyone, the photographers that are in field, to please watch out. Heads up and be careful. You're moving around an active runway area. There may be ropes or lines that may be getting in the way, and once these balloons start to rise, you may get caught. So please watch out for yourselves. Try as much as possible not to get too close to the balloons so that you can keep out of harm's way. Thank you very much. Got a lot of sponsored balloons this time around on the 4th and finally section 1738. But anyway, as we mentioned, ladies and gentlemen, the post balloon is the red and white balloon on the right side of the field that was flown by Captain Jeff Roa of the Philippines. Right beside him is the Swiss style of Tanzania Park. And let me see, I'm trying to figure out the other balloons. We got the entire balloon here, I believe, from Poland. Where are our special shoot balloons? We are being hidden right now, but we're going to see them and we got even the Kiwi from New Zealand. We got the Whiskers from the United States. And Miss Doozy, also from the United States. Just a few of our special shoot balloons. Beautiful. We got the Yellow Car, also from the United States. And I think we have one more special shoot balloon. We have the ice cream cone. You're going to see that a little later on, ladies and gentlemen. Wow, we got wall-to-wall people. How about saying hi? Raise your hands and say hi, ladies and gentlemen. This is your balloon fiesta, and we thank you for coming here. Over 7,000 people over there at the infield, and it's fantastic to have you join us this early in the morning. We love to have you with us, and every year we aim to please, and we continue to deliver our promise of giving you a whole weekend of everything that flies. Paragliders in the air, ladies and gentlemen. Again, just going to be circling around and maybe acting as escorts for hot air balloons. Paragliders, ladies and gentlemen, are the smallest form of personal aircraft. It's a one-man craft, although we have a tandem paraglider here at the Balloon Fiesta, but that is the smallest form of aircraft, personal aircraft with only one person and a paraglider wing at the top and an engine strapped onto his back. So the pilot actually becomes part of the aircraft with the engine strapped on his back.